Talking a little bit about the big picture of credential management. So Mathy requires certificates to be onboarded on the network, but an IoT device requires more credential to connect to different services. So it needs a credential to authenticate on the cloud instance, on the FOTA server, on the other standard that your device may need to connect. So to do that, you need to be able to generate this credential, meaning that you need to have a PKI that can generate different kind of credentials, of certificates for each use case. Then the next question is how to provision this credential in the device. So it can be done at the factory, or it can also be done in the field to have update of a credential later. It can also be done at the chipset level, so you can also integrate provision the certificate at the chipset level that you can use later in your device. So once this is done, then you can use this credential in the field to secure the functions, like the cloud onboarding, but it can also be used to secure the firmware update mechanism. So if you have the right credential in your device in the backend and have the right security on your device with secure boot and so on, then you are able to do a secure firmware update over GR. And then you can sign the firmware on the backend, send it to your device, be authenticated on the device side, and apply when it's secure. And the last step of this credential management is to also be able to renew them when they're in the field, to manage them in the field. So you may want to renew some certificates, some credentials, you want to revoke them later, or you can also want to add new to a device that is already deployed. For example, you deploy a FOTA update to your devices that brings a new functionality, and that needs to have a new credential to connect to a server. Then you need to have the PKI that is able to generate this new credential, to deploy, to provision it in the field to the device so they can use it.